on your Roblox mobile. So in this video I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Roblox like this, and after this come to this 3 point here and come to premium. So here on premium, as you see membership, you will wait little, and as you see it's starting by $5 or this. So you will click on get premium, and right now you will subscribe and click purchase, and then you will add your card, credit card information, and then you will get your premium on Roblox. That's it in this video. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.